While the entire IT sector was almost bleeding, this one company just posted 30% revenue growth, 82% PAT growth, and won 5 large deals in a single quarter. And the chart is now flashing a powerful reversal signal. Let's break it down. Coforge is a mid-cap IT services company focused on digital transformation, cloud, and AI automation with deep expertise in two verticals. One is BFSI and the other is travel and technology. This is not your generic IT company. It has a very focused and execution driven model. Now, when you look at the quarter 4 results for the financial year 2026, the revenue jumped up by 21% year on year up to 4,080 crore, and the EBIT margins at 16.6%, an all time high. The free cash flow is up by 80% and EPS is up by 142%. And the management has guided that the financial year 2027 will reflect this as a new baseline. The numbers speak for themselves. Three things are driving its growth. One is AI. Coforge has built a full gen AI ecosystem called COSAR, partnered with ServiceNow, acquired AI firm Angora, and has over 30,000 AI trained employees. Second trigger is BFSI and travel tech spending is incurring and accelerating. Third trigger is the Cigniti merger just got finalized with a record date of May 16. That adds the QA and testing capabilities and expands the company's total addressable market. The stock surged almost 18% in 3 sessions after the result. The move was fundamentally justified. Now, when you look at the technical analysis, firstly, here's my trade in one line. You buy at the zone of around 1,290 to 1,300 done. The stop loss is 1,190 and the target is 1,500. Now, let me show you how exactly and why on the charts. So, we'll go from the top down approach. On the monthly chart, we see that there is a long term bullish trend for this particular company. 50% correction and now it is recovering, and 50% correction and now it is recovering. And then you look at the weekly chart, there's a downward trend has been broken with a high volume. And now when you look at the weekly chart and the May 6th volume, it was one of the highest in the recent times. Around 2.95 million shares were traded. Institutional breakout is confirmed. And when you look at the RSI for this particular stock, daily RSI is 65.28, sitting upright in the 60 to 70 zone, which is a strong bullish momentum territory. Now, when you look at the support and resistance for this particular stock, the key support sits at around 1,280 to 1,300. These are previous consolidation zone when you look at the weekly and the daily, the monthly chart. And this is the natural pullback area after a breakout. The first resistance would be around 1,500. That was a breakdown level from November 2025 and December 2025. And the next resistance would sit at 1,700. That is the next major hurdle, the pre-rally base zone. We'll be setting up the GTT based on this logic. I will be entering at 1,310, waiting for a pullback. And I will be placing my stop loss and target price using OCO. So my stop loss would be around 1,190 below the breakout base and below the swing low. So 1,190 would be my stop loss, and my target price would be around 1,500. That is the first exit, around the first resistance level. That gives us a clean risk reward ratio of 1:2, ideal for swing trade. So now I have set up the buy GTT and target price and stop loss using OCO. So this plan will execute itself. There are no real emotions involved. However, I have one question for you. Do you think Coforge's AI push is already priced in at these levels, or is there more room to run? Please drop your view in your comment section. Please do your own research and trade safely. Like and follow for more. Thank you.